Well, good morning, Milton Hall. Yes, do not attempt to adjust your computer or your laptop or your Mac. It is I, Mr. Buxton, your fabulous drama teacher. Do hope you're doing well, staying safe, and of course, washing those hands. So we bring to you a very exciting new venture. You may remember we used to meet every Friday morning, those wonderful singing assemblies, highlight of the week for me. And I'm delighted to tell you we will now be doing these online. That's right, we're very savvy, very technological. These are going to be online now, so you can join in the fun. Now, today's session is recorded. This has already happened. Okay, this isn't live, okay, alas. But in the future, we're hoping these will be live. And you, yes, you can join in and be the stars. Of course, we will be inviting some of you, maybe not all of you. We're going to be trying our hardest to reach every single home out there, but Rome wasn't built in a day. So this is the very first one, a recorded session, a pilot, if you will. Not the sort of pilot Mr. Baker is, who flies above the sky, above the clouds, but the kind of pilot, the first one of a television program. So this is your pilot singing assembly. We are going to do a couple of exercises, and then we're going to sing a song together. One that you know and hopefully love. Okay, so here we are. Friday morning. It can only mean, well, it's not Friday morning, it's Monday morning, but it will be hopefully on a Friday. Who knows? We might change the day. That will be our new musical extravaganza. Huzzah! Can I get a huzzah? Oh, wonderful. Spectacular, spectacular. All righty then, let's begin. So, it's a little bit different here. Let's rub our hands together. Faster. Faster, faster. Feel that burn in the hands, feel the friction. Good, and then give yourself a head massage. Ah, yes. Yes, that's lovely. Just unlocking the jaw. Plus, it feels jolly nice too. And open the jaw for me. Like that. That's loose. That's it. Under here. Under the ears. Good. And so those, okay, we can do this. Oh, yeah, like that. And again, please. Oh, one more time. Oh, good. And then with those, like you can do this. Well done. Grab your hands together. Give them a shake in triumph. And as you do, let the jaw go. This way. Over here. Good. Well done. And now let's chew a soft toffee. And now slow motion. Now super speed. And now that the toffee is stuck in your teeth, have to use your tongue. Good. But now let's pretend that toffee is now a very sour sweet. And now you don't like it. So we make this kind of face. So we're making a lot of space, being really wide. No. Not for me. Well done. Okay, can you do this? Now, not everybody can, but it's that skill we can work on. One more time. Now, the key is to get the lips somewhere in the middle. We don't want them too close together like that. No. And we don't want them too wide apart like a horse either. We don't want that. We want it somewhere in the middle like this. And we can go up. And they're all over. Good, lovely way to get the old lips going. Now, can you do the same thing with your tongue? Doesn't matter if you can't. Just give it a go. Excellent. Well done. Okay, why don't we do our hot chocolate exercise when we used to do a lot on Friday mornings? So here we go. Show me your cup of hot chocolate. Yeah. Get that squirty cream. Yes, marshmallows. Smell. Now release a nice big mmm. Go for a sip. Too hot. Pick up a second one. We'll give this one a little blow. Now we take a sip. And then the hot chocolate goes down to our belly, comes back up, and we're sick all over the place. And we do it with a sound, a going down and up sound like this. We love that one, don't we? Yes, one more time from the beginning. Now, I'm not going to say anything, just follow the exercise. Very good. Okay, let's do Papa's got a head like a ping pong ball. Okay, I think you know this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Papa's got a head like a ping pong ball. Papa's got a head like a ping pong ball. Papa's got a head like a ping pong ball, like a ping pong ball, like a ping, ping pong, ping pong, ping pong, ping pong, ping ball, like a ping, ping pong, ping pong, ping pong, ping ball, ping pong, ping pong, ping pong, ping pong, ping. Hey! Papa's got a head like a ping pong ball. Papa's got a head like a ping pong ball. Papa's got a head like a ping pong ball, like a ping pong ball, like a ping, ping pong, ping pong, ping pong, ping pong, ping ball, like a ping, ping pong, ping pong, ping pong, ping ball, ping pong, ping pong, ping pong ball. Hey! Well done, very good. All right, good. So much more we could do. But now let's move on to our song. And we're going to the Beatles with a little help from my friends. Now, we sang this before, and I hope you remember it. I'm sure you do. It's a classic, isn't it? So let me just go over the tune for you again. And so feel free to repeat after me. What would you think if I sang out of tune? Would you stand up and walk out on me? Very good. All together. Let's sing it. 1, 2, 3, and what would you think if I sang out of tune? Would you stand up and walk out on me? Next part. Lend me your ears and I'll sing you a song. And I'll try not to sing out of key. Good, let's go from the top. I hope you can hear this. Four. What would you think if I sang out of tune? Would you stand up and walk out on me? Lend me your ears and I'll sing you a song, and I'll try not to sing out of key. Good, well done. Now we move on to, oh, I get by with a little help from my friends. So it's quite tricky, that bit. With a little help, with a little help, with a little help, with a little help. Oh, I get by with a little help from my friends. I get high with a little help from my friends. Okay. I'm gonna try with a little help from my friends. So let's just do that last bit. And to sing out of key. Oh, I'll get by with a little help from my friends. I get high with a little help from my friends. I'm gonna try with a little help from my friends. So the next bit, same tune. What do I do when my love is away? Does it worry you to be alone? Oh, I don't like being alone. Good, next bit. How do I feel by the end of the day? Are you sad because you're on your own? Okay, let's try the whole thing from the beginning. Hopefully you'll find the lyrics for this on the interweb, or we are working on ways that you can access these. Here we go, from the beginning. Breathe in and out. 1, 2, 3, and what would you think if I sang out of tune? Would you stand up and walk out on me? 2, 3, 4. Lend me your ears and I'll sing you a song, and I'll try not to sing out of key. Oh, I get by with a little help from my friends. I get high with a little help from my friends. I'm gonna try with a little help from my friends. 2, 3, and what do I do when my love is away? Does it worry you to be alone? How do I feel by the end of the day? Are you sad because you're on your own? No, I get by with a little help from my friends. I get high with a little help from my friends. Gonna try with a little help from my friends. Right, excellent. Now the next bit, a little bit different. Do you need anybody? Do you need anybody? So don't do that twice, I'll be repeating it. So, do you need anybody? I need somebody to love. So those two lines together. Do you need anybody? I need somebody to love. Could it be anybody? I want somebody to love. So all together that goes with the music. Gonna try with a little help from my friends. Do you need anybody? I need somebody to love. Could it be anybody? I want somebody to love. Good, excellent. And the next bit, we go back to the tune with different lyrics. Would you believe in a love at first sight? Yes, I'm certain that it happens all the time. What do you see when you turn out the light? I can't tell you, but I know it's mine. Oh, I get by, and so we go. All right, let's just go from the beginning. So the whole number. Okay, we can do this. We have the magic. We have the power. So nice and straight, or stand if you like. Standing is probably a very good idea, actually. Really does help us sing. I will sit just so you can see me in the camera. But do feel free to stand and move and dance just as the Beatles would want us to. Here we go. 2, 3, and what would you think if I sang out a tune? Would you stand up and walk out on me? 2, 3, 4. Lend me your ears and I'll sing you a song, and I'll try not to sing out of key. Oh, I get by with a little help from my friends. I get high with a little help from my friends. I'm gonna try with a little help from my friends. What do I do when my love is away? Does it worry you to be alone? How do I feel by the end of the day? Are you sad because you're on your own? No, I get by with a little help from my friends. I get high with a little help from my friends. Gonna try with a little help from my friends. Do you need anybody? I need somebody to love. Could it be anybody? I want somebody to love. Would you believe in a love at first sight? Yes, I'm certain that it happens all the time. What do you see when you turn out the light? I can't tell you, but I know it's mine. Oh, I get by with a little help from my friends. I get high with a little help from my friends. Gonna try with a little help from my friends. Do you need anybody? Yes, need someone to love. Could it be anybody? I want somebody to love. Get by with a little help from my friends. I get high with a little help from my friends. Gonna try with a little help from my friends. Oh, I get by with a little help from my friends, a little help from my friends. Ta-ta-ta. I mean, you could do what you like with that last bit. Go off with a tangent, go high, whatever you like. Explode with excitement and joy. So there you have it. That was our very first online singing assembly, albeit recorded. But plenty more of these to come. I really hope you can join me for these wonderful chances to get together and have a jolly good sing. So thank you so much for coming. See you next time. Stay safe, look after yourself, and remember, wash those hands.